Yeah. So here I am taking a new file. H query. Okay, fetch query dot py. Okay. Now I'm taking one file my16.txt. Okay. Why? Because in my17 I wrote something. So I'm taking like a my test 16.txt. Okay. Now I will take the syntax. Just a minute. Control C, Control V. Okay. I don't want this all. Okay. What is my file name? My test.16. Okay, this is my file name. I want in read mode. Okay, why? Because I want to fetch. Okay, I want to fetch the details. So I am taking like a now I want to read. Okay, I want to read. Before that I am having something like a okay. Before that I will show you few queries. Okay, anyway, now I am taking one query. Okay, similar to this, not exactly this. I am copying this now here. Okay. Okay, you can write in separate lines or you can write in single line also, guys. Don't worry. Now I am taking in place of all articles. Okay, all I want all articles. Okay, select star from shop is my tables. Okay, shop is my tables. I don't want any condition now. This is like a condition. Okay, present I don't want anything. So this is my query. Okay, this is my query. Select star from or uh, I will show you some other site. This is only official site, but okay, no issue. We will go with another website. And yeah, this one is a little fine. Double three school is a very best website. Okay, anyway, I am writing this kind of query. Okay, select star from customers. Like here I am taking from shop. Okay, or we will write like a students table. Okay, students table. Okay, so from student table I want every detail. Okay, I want every detail. So before executing the query, what we want to fetch this query. Okay, we want to fetch this query. Now control yes. Just a minute, guys. Sorry. Yeah. Now we wrote a one query. Okay, like this you can write n number of queries, guys. N number of queries you can write, and one by one you can pass. Anyway, now now what is my file name? Fetchquery.py. Okay, it is having something like a 0 kb. Now control yes. Okay, I will write 2 3 queries. Okay, something like a student name. Okay, student name, and one more thing I will write, control C. Okay, student father name. Okay, so individual query I want to take, so but you can combine all these also if you require. Student class. Okay, or something like a these are fine, or we can take like a class. Yeah, this much is enough. Now yeah, so what is my file name? It is like a fetch query. Now python. Okay, python here in my actual file. Okay, in my actual file, what is my actual file? Fetch query. Fetch query, yes. What I'm doing, I opened that file. Okay, I opened that file, but I want to read the each line. Okay, each line, then I need to pass that. So if I go with the read method, okay, read method, it will read all the details, right? Now if you observe python. Okay, python fetch query. Yeah, I got all the lines. Just a second, guys. Yeah, I got all the lines. But when I am passing, or when I want to execute single command, so if I am writing like this, it will not do all the lines at a time. Anyway, it will do one by one, but still I want to execute single line after single line, or I will what execute which particular query I want, that particular query we will execute, right? So for that, read method is not is a good method. We will go with the read line method. Okay, print f1 dot read line. Read lines also fine. Now yeah, if you observe, okay, I got a in list. Okay, I got all the queries in list. So if I want a particular query, okay, if I want a particular query, how can I access? Okay, how can I access? Now so what I am doing, read lines I am taking in one variable. Okay, what is my variable name? List one. Okay, any variable you can take, guys, or table one, like that you can take. Okay, now inside list one, now I want to print this list one. Anyway, same output we will get, but still, now yeah, same list I am getting. Okay, there is no difference. Now now what I want, first query I want. Okay, first query I want, then list one of 0. Okay, list one of 0. Now observe this one, guys. Yeah, I got a first query. Okay, this all thing is there still. Okay, why? Because I not commented this one, but I am getting like this query, and slash n, because of this slash n I am getting one new line here. Okay, one new line here I am getting, but okay, we can strip that, we can strip that. Now, yeah, I'm getting a single line. If I want all the lines at a time, okay, if I want all the lines at a time, yes guys, we can fetch all the lines at a time. Print list one of one. Okay, list one of one. Then after, print list two of two. Okay, next print list three. Sorry, not a list two. Sorry. It's like a list one only. Next one, list one of three. Okay, I wrote four queries, right, in a 16. Okay, one, two, three, four. Indirectly 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, now observe this one. I am commenting this particular line. I don't want to display in a list. I want to directly fetch the each query only. Now, so I got each query. Okay, but I'm getting a new line for every query after I'm getting one new line. Okay, every query after I'm getting new line. Okay, we can remove that. Okay, there is a dot strip method. Okay, dot strip method. By using this strip method, we can remove the unnecessary lines. Okay, unnecessary lines or unnecessary strings we can remove. Okay, strip, strip, yes, strip. Now, if you observe this one here I am having one new line. Okay, here I am having one new line. Now, okay, if you observe, now there is a no new line. Okay, little compare with this one and this one. Okay, here I am having a new line. Okay, this is my new line, but here, okay, here no new line directly I got. So what I will do, I will add a strip to each line. Just give me a second. Now, dot strip slash n. Okay, here also dot strip slash n. Okay, anyway, last line we are not getting any new line, so here I am not giving. Now, yeah, I got all the queries. Okay, I got all the queries. Previously I am getting like some spaces. Okay, previously I am getting some spaces. Okay, after that, putting a strip method, we are getting, okay, like this. For single query I used strip here, but now what I'm doing, I am using strip for every method. Okay, don't go with like this, you can use for loop also guys, but I am using like this. So now I got each query. Okay, each query, now I want to execute that query. Okay, I want to execute that query, so you can simply read that line. Sorry. Yeah, now,
సార్
yes,
ఇది ఇప్పుడు మనం స్ట్రిప్ యూజ్ చేయడం వల్ల మనకి ఆ లైన్ అనేది రిమూవ్ అయిపోయిందా సార్?
line అవునండి, స్లాష్ అని క్యారెక్టర్ రిమూవ్ అయింది.
ఓకే. ఓకే. అంటే అది స్ట్రిప్ అనేది రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి మాత్రమేనా సార్?
స్ట్రిప్ అనేది రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి వాడతాం.
దాని బదులు రిమూవ్ అనే ఆప్షన్ వాడొచ్చు కదా సార్?
సారీ,
రిమూవ్ అనే ఆప్షన్ వాడొచ్చు కదా స్ట్రిప్‌కి బదులు?
రిమూవ్ అనేది మనకు మెథడ్ ఉందా? ఓకే, జస్ట్ మినిట్. లిస్ట్ టు ఈక్వల్ టు జస్ట్ మినిట్ గైస్, ఐ యామ్ టెస్టింగ్. Yeah, observe the output now. Anyway, remove method is there in a list. I forgot actually. Okay, wait. Okay, now observe what is the remove method will do. What happened? It removed particular string or particular element from the list. Okay, here you can't remove. Okay, list 2 dot remove. Okay, remove. I want only you from Ramu. Okay, or something like a Charan from Ram Charan. Okay, Charan from Ram Charan. So if I am giving like this Charan, now observe the output. See, value error. X is not listed. So Charan is not there in the list. Like that it is showing. So by using strip method, okay, by using strip method, what you can do. So that is only mainly works for strings, guys. Okay, you need to understand that for strings only it will work mainly. Okay, now list 2. Okay, list 2 element is what type? If you want to go and check list 2 of okay of I'm taking like a 2. Okay, listed. Okay, now okay, list 2. I want a print type. Okay, print type list 2. Now if you observe this one, okay, I got a string type. Okay, it is element from the list, but that is a string type. Now if I am going with print list 2. Okay, what is my variable? 2 dot strip. Okay, dot strip. I want Charan. Okay, I want Charan to remove. Now after this one I want a list. Now observe the output, guys. Okay, what we are removing? M only removed. Why? Just a minute. We will assign back to list 2 of. Okay, what we are doing? We are removing that. Okay, trim is also there, guys. Trim is also there. Strip is also there. Okay, anyway, we can do one by one methods. No issue. Now observe this one. Here something error. Yes. Now okay, why it is printing only M? Okay, otherwise wait, we will do Ram. Yeah, I got a Charan, right? If you observe this one space is also there. We need to remove space also. Okay, but okay, no issue. What is my intention is like if you want to delete particular characters. Okay, particular characters are up to particular space. Okay, up to particular characters you can easily what remove that characters. Okay, from the string, guys. Now anyway, this is not our intention. Control question mark. Now control C. Control V. Yeah. Now, anyway, I am getting one by one line. Okay, one line by one line I am getting. Now, Control S. Okay, I got each query. Okay, each query. Now, how we will pass? Okay, how we will pass to command lines? Okay, if you want to pass that to command line, right? Or you want to pass somewhere, okay, somewhere, then you can pass this individual query. Okay, you can pass this individual query to wherever you want. You can pass that, guys. Okay, once a db started now, please inform me, so that there I will show you how to pass the query. Got it, right, guys? Like this you are getting query. Anyway, you can pass this query to db. It's not an issue. Okay. Now, okay, uh, file creation in the default and specific location. Okay, yes. Okay, default location we already seen, right, guys? Okay, anyway, I will show you default location and other locations also. Control 1. Now I want to create one file. Okay, I want to create one file. To create the file, we need to use mod x. Okay, mod x. Now I don't want this much thing. Okay, this one I'm looking for. Now open present. I want a x, and file is already exists, so I am giving like a 20. Okay, here 20 is not there in this location. I am giving like a 20 file name. Now I am writing one simple print statement. Okay, file is created successfully. Okay, simple line I am executing now. Okay, file is created successfully. Anyway, we are writing printer now. If you come and check here, file 20 is there. Okay, my test 20.txt, that file is created. Okay, this is at our particular folder only. Okay, in our present folder only we got this one. Okay, if I go into students. Okay, if I go into students and in the morning batch 2, inside files. Okay, I got a file 20. Okay, this is in same location. Okay, if you want to create some other location. Okay, if you want to create some other location, you can give. Okay, you can give path. Okay, you can give the path. Now I will show you. Control C, Control V. This time I'm commenting these two lines. And anyway, 20 file is exist in default directory. Okay, default directory or current directory. Now I want somewhere other location. So in somewhere other location this file is there, then it will throw error. If not, then it will create that file. So what I am doing, in students morning batch. Okay, in a morning batch I want to create file here. Okay, I want to create a file here. Here I don't have any file name called file 20. Okay, file 20 name is not there. So what I will write, file 20. Okay, what is my file name? File name is a file 20.txt. Now, and the path is this one, right? So I want this path. Okay, I want this path. Now write a path here. Yeah, this is my uh, morning batch 2 inside this one. Okay, now observe this one. Yeah, we need to run. Yeah, file is created successfully. Now I want, if I am checking here. Okay, if I am checking here, file 20 is here also. Okay, this is my previous one, previous example output. Now I want, okay, it is not showing any error, and anyway it is created in other location. So just a minute. Okay, if you observe here, file 20 is created. Okay, this is my file 20. This is my file 20 created here. How many files you want to create, that many files you can create in a different location, guys. Okay, different location. And there is a few concepts, okay, related to OS. I will tell you. Every time you will not go with like this. If suppose you want to compile in other system, okay, if you want to compile in other system, what it will be there, like in my system Python student morning class evening batch, like that it is there. But in other system there is no evening batch students, every other thing is not there, right? So if you want to create some other location, okay, some other location, like this you can give. If you aware full path, you can give like this, or you can use os dot join dot path. Okay, there is a one more this one, os dot path dot join. Okay, join, okay, like this you can give path, guys. Okay, this is like a path is equal to, like this you can create. Okay, still we are creating some static code, but okay, okay, for time being it is fine. You can exactly create wherever you want. And why os is showing yellow color, because I not imported the os, so it is showing import os. Okay, now it will not show any yellow line. Okay, just a minute. Now, okay, like this you can create. And now if you check print path, okay, print path. Now already file is exist, so I am writing file 21, file 21. Now, okay, file 21 is not there in this list. Now, okay, file is created successfully. Okay, and the path I not given correctly, but still path it is printing. Okay, path it is printing. Wherever you want, you can write that path, guys. Okay, anyway, now, now I want to show file 21. Okay, this is a file 21. Okay, file 21. If you observe here, okay, plus file 21 is not here. Okay, file 21 is not here. It is not created in our current directory. Okay, current directory. Anyway, we are taking the path, right? Path variable we are taking. So here I got a path. Okay, like this they will provide the path. The client will provide the path where to save. Okay, where to save, or it present directory or some other directory, they will provide the path. But if you are writing like this is a very good method to write os.path.join. This path will be added. Now, here, okay, control yes, control V. This time I don't want this line, control 1. Okay, I want this path. Okay, I want this path. So how I will write a path plus. Okay, path plus. Then after where you want. Okay, what is my path, guys? Students dot morning batch 2 I want. Okay, inside morning batch 2 I want that file. Okay, okay, after path I am giving slashes. Okay, now, okay, some error it is showing, just wait. File exist error. Okay, no issue, no issue. What I'm doing file 22. Now, yeah, file is created successfully on which location? At this location. Okay, this is my path. So at this particular place the file is created. Now we will go manually and check. So file 22, yes, it is created, right? So whenever you want to create files, go with the os related functions. Okay, os related sorry, like this if you gonna, then it will be little easy to fetch. The opposite person also understood, and this path will be given by your clients or your hires. Okay, now up to this fine, or anyone having any doubt? Is it fine, guys? Now, This is about executing database queries and file location with the default location and different locations. Okay, different location. And if you want to merge files, okay, if you want to merge files, means what is mean by merging? File 1 file 2 we can't merge directly, okay, but we can take the data, okay, we can take the data and we can merge that data into another file, okay, like that we can do, guys. Okay, so what I'm doing, file 17 having some data, okay, file 16 having some data, okay, or what I will do, file 16 having this data, right, related queries related data I'm having, file 15 I am writing like a this is a query, okay, query related data, okay, query related data, and testing in the other, okay, not other, I will write like a file 15, okay, file 15. Now okay, I saved or not, just a minute. Yeah, I saved, very fine. Now okay, so here why this is a previous one only, so file is existing data, like that file is already exist, like that it is showing, so this is not a big issue. Now I am having some data in file 15, okay, some data in file 16, okay, I want to merge this total string, okay, total string or something like a total text. I want to merge and I want to write in other file. So how can I write? This is called merging, guys. You will not merge file one, file two side by side, like that. It will not be happen in a computers. So it will happen, but the data will be connected with the other file or within same file. You can overwrite. Okay, within one file you can overwrite. First of all you need to fetch, then after you can overwrite, or you can take one more extra file, okay, like a file 3, file 4, file 5, like that you can take one file and you store that file at some other location, or this location also fine. Now so here I don't want, okay, I am having file 15 and file 16. Now I am creating one more extra file, uh, merging files dot py, okay, and I want to check 14 file consists nothing, okay, 14 file consists nothing, so 15 having some data, 16 having some data, I want to read this 15 and 16, I want to write in a 14 line, okay, already this concept is over, guys. Merging word is a newer to you, but the data reading and fetching and pasting in some separate file is done already, so you need to tell how to write. Okay, so initially I'm taking f1 file object. Now open what is my file name, my test dot my test 16 dot txt. I want a mode like a r, okay, you can write r directly or you can write a mode 2, like that also you can write. Now I want to read, okay, I want to read that, so f1 dot read lines, I am going read lines, okay, okay, otherwise I will go with the read method, complete data I want, okay, read method. Now this is fine. If we go and check what is it is doing, now print one, no, sorry, print f1 dot read. Now okay, ls, this time what is my file name, merging files dot py, okay, merging files dot py. Now python merging files dot py. Now I got a file 16 data, okay, file 16 data, right, file 16 data I got. Now a is equal to the total data I am reading in a one variable. Okay, one variable I am doing. Now next I want one more file. Okay, F2 open test. Okay, this time mine is like a 15. Okay, 15, and I want to read. Okay, this time I will take one more variable. B is equal to f2 dot read this function. Okay, now now print a plus b. Is this possible, guys? If you observe, okay, okay, if you see, this one is a combined. Okay, this is a combined, but we are not taking in any other file. Okay, we are not taking in any other file. We are simply adding in a simple print statement we are writing, but I want in other file. Okay, I want in other file. How we can do, guys? Print okay, not print, f3. Okay, one more this one I am taking. Now my test. Okay, in place of my test, what I am writing is file. Okay, file 3 is there, not there. Anyway, file 5 I am taking, and what is the mode? I am creating mode as a x. Okay, mode as x. Now okay, file will be created. Then after, okay, we need to append a ab text to that. Okay, we need to append a ab text to that. So how we will append, guys? F3. Okay, F3. Okay, file is created. File creation after F3. Okay, if we want to open a file in append mode. Okay, append mode, how we can append, guys? So here first of all we need to create that. Okay, after creating we need to append, right? Or we can directly append, it will work. Okay, what I am doing, f3 dot read I am doing, so that we will understand whether it is there something or not. So print. Now after that, f3 open. Okay, open inside this one. Okay, file 5.txt, comma, mode is like a. Okay, append method. Now once after append method is open, okay, or we will go with like this. Okay, now f3 dot write. Okay, dot write. This method, what we require, generally we require some text. Okay, this is the testing. Okay, this is the testing. Now f3 dot read. Print. Okay, yeah, okay, no issue. Which line it shown error? uh, Line number 7. Okay, here only. So after creating, okay, after creating, I'm closing that file. Okay, f3 close. Okay, f3 close. Then after I want to open that, I want to open that in append mode. Here I don't want now. Okay, after opening append mode I am reading that. Okay, I am reading that. Then after I am writing. If it is not allowed, then we can go with the only write method. Yeah, okay. Line number 6, open dot x mode file is already exist. Okay, wait. No. Okay, yeah, if you see, up to this is fine. Okay, then after in ninth line, f3 dot read. Okay, unsupported IO operation, not readable, like that it is showing. Okay, which line? Ninth line, right? So yeah, okay, no issue. Yeah, again file 5 is created, so we will delete this. Now after write, okay, after write, what we will do, we will close that f3 dot close, okay, f3 dot close. Yeah, it is done very fine. Okay, it is done very fine. We will go manually and check what is my file name. File5.txt. Okay, inside file5.txt. Okay, having only one line, this is testing. Why? Because here here we wrote this is testing. Okay, this is testing, but I don't want this line. I want to merge these two text, right? A, B and text I want to store. Then here what I will do, anyway, those are strings, right? We will write like this. Okay, A is one text and B is one text and this is the one more text. So control yes. Yeah, it is showing like a fine, it is not shown any errors. Now if I go into here again, file 5 is created. If we see, okay, from here, okay, just a minute guys, from up to here this is like a general text we given. Sorry. Okay, this is like a text we given. Okay, then after up to here, okay, here to here, this all is like a related to A. Okay, and this related to B. Got it right guys? This is related to A guys. Okay, this is general text. This is related to B. This is A. Okay, this is B. Now we are merging the files. Not we will not merge file 1 with the file 2 like this. It will not be happen. Merging means the text which is there in a file 1, okay, file 1 and file 2 will be merged in one file. But what we are doing, we are taking in one more file and we are merging that text here. Got it guys? Anyone having any doubt till here? ఇక్కడ వరకు ఎవరికైనా ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందండి?
That's fine, sir.
Yeah. Okay, this is about the files, guys. Till now we completed files concept. So just a minute. Yeah, up to this is fine. Tomorrow onwards we will start with the advanced Python. Okay, if you have any doubts, we will discuss on that. Otherwise, we will stop the session and we will continue advanced Python with the advanced Python from tomorrow. Is that fine?
Yeah, okay, Nalur.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys.
Yeah, okay, thank you.